Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mukhopadhyay, a specialist in advanced shoulder surgeries, arthroscopy and sports injuries. Today I will be discussing about shoulder pain in general, broadly about its causes and effective treatment modalities. When I talk about shoulder pain, its cause could vary from acute injury to long-term problems, and also the treatment modalities could vary from simple tablets to exercises to surgeries. Shoulder pain following a major injury or accident could be resulting from fracture of the bones around your joint, which can be managed depending upon the kind of fracture seen on the x-ray with either splinting, pain medicines, or maybe a surgery to fix the fractured bone. Shoulder pain following a major injury can result from a fracture of the bones around your shoulder joint, which can be managed depending upon the findings on an x-ray with simple splinting, some medicines for pain, and a surgery if required. The other cause of shoulder pain following an injury could be a sprain of the ligaments or a muscle strain, which can be managed with again some splinting, ice packs to control the soreness of the muscles, and medicines to control the pain. When I talk about more prolonged shoulder pain, the cause could be chronic and long-term wear and tear of your muscles and tendons and ligaments around your shoulder. It could be biomechanical instability or muscle strain which has existed for a long time now. The management of these conditions are a little more tricky. They require a detailed evaluation by a specialist and a dedicated rehabilitation program which would involve a series of exercises to retrain your muscles, regain the rhythm of the muscles, and provide a balanced and efficient return to a normal, fully functional shoulder. The other causes of chronic pain could be a tear in the muscles or tendons or some other structure around your shoulder joint, which may require surgery, which could be a keyhole surgery if you are not responding to the conservative modalities, which are exercises and physiotherapy. Using a keyhole surgery for the shoulder, which we call as shoulder arthroscopy, we can treat patients who are having repeated dislocations of the shoulder, who have a tear in the tendons around the shoulder, which is the rotator cuff, and we can also treat patients with impingement and inflammation in the tissues around the shoulder known as subacromial bursitis. In another set of patients who have developed arthritis secondary to any injury, a prolonged rotator cuff tear which has been neglected, we can offer options of shoulder replacement or a reverse shoulder replacement. In reverse shoulder replacement, the torn muscles don't have to work any longer, as the change in biomechanical axis of the shoulder using the reverse shoulder replacement, the other intact group of muscles will now act to help move your shoulder through the full range and provide a fully functional shoulder. Shoulder pain could have a varied number of causes which needs to be properly evaluated, investigated, and treated accordingly for a more effective outcome. If you have been struggling with your shoulder pain and shoulder problems, don't struggle with your problems any longer. Come to Saksham Orthopedics for a detailed evaluation and a specialist guidance.